Hi all, so welcome to the Codis page. So today we are going to connect a servo motor with the breadboard and the Arduino UNO board and for the Arduino Ethernet shield. So first you have to connect the Ethernet shield with the Arduino UNO board. So you can see these pins around here. So these pins have to connect it to these lines. So after you have connected the Ethernet shield with the Arduino UNO board, it is ready to connect with the pins. So I'm going to first use male-to-male jumpers to connect with the Arduino UNO board and the breadboard. So I always use the red one to connect with the power cable and black for the ground. So the ground always goes to the negative part of the breadboard, and the other connection will go to the ground in the Ethernet shield. Okay, so the red one goes to the positive field or the power, and it will connect it to the 5 volt in the Ethernet shield. So in the servo motor there will be 3 lines connected. One is for ground and one is for the power, and another one we can connect it to the ground as well. So next we are going in the servo motor, the ground and the power cable we are going to connect it to the breadboard. Red for the power and brown for the ground, and the purple color one in the Ethernet shield we are going to connect it to the 9th pin. Okay guys, so to develop the code for the servo motor we can use the Arduino software. In the Arduino software we can go to file and example. So in examples there will be some codes for many sensors. So we have the servo motor as well. So in servo we are going to select sweep, so you can use the knob also. So if we select the sweep, there will be a code to run with the comments, and also we can easily understand why do we use these codes. So according to the pin number, so we have connected our servo motor to the pin number 9, so this can be easily work on that. Okay, so next we have to connect the cable to the UNO board, not for the Ethernet shield. For the UNO board we have to connect the cable, and we are going to connect the cable to our laptop or for your machine. Okay guys, so next we have to, after you connect the cable, we have to upload it to the UNO board. So after you uploaded it, it will turn sweep like this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, as well as comment, like and share.